After having missed the last 3 rounds of the Pro Motocross Series with an health issue, illness, I don't know what you want to call it, it has been announced in a press release that Aaron Plessinger will also miss all of the SMX playoffs and will be looking forward to 2026. In the press release, he said, quote, "Unfortunate news, but as much as I would like to race these next few races in SMX, what I've been dealing with is taking a little bit longer than expected to come back around. So I'm sitting these next 3 out. I will be at Charlotte though, signing autographs and hanging out, so come see me. But as far as training and racing goes, I will be getting ready for 2026 once I am back on the bike. For myself and also for my health heading into next season, this is the best move. I just wanted to say good luck to all my team and all my teammates. Go get them, boys." Now, obviously, this sucks. Whatever it is that, is going on, you never want to see anybody miss racing for being injured, sick, or anything like that, especially Plessinger, who is, I guess you'd have to say, a fan favorite. Is he fast at times? Yes. Is he going to be a championship contender? Probably not, but he could definitely spoil some points for somebody, get a nice hole shot and run up front, just look for podiums, maybe a win. It sucks to see. I mean, obviously, factory guy, factory bike, factory team, you want to see all these people out there because, that creates the best product, the best viewership, the best competition. It just makes everything that much better, that little step above everything. If you've got one person out there is going to win, it just becomes a boring race. And, that's just sadly how it is. But, I mean, this is probably the smarter option. Instead of coming out trying to race, not feeling well, either not being at 100% or making a mistake because you're tired or whatever it is. If he makes a mistake and somebody else gets injured because they're trying to, miss him or something, it's just a problem that you don't really need. And being out of, I'm assuming, the title contention at this point, it's just smart. Take the time off, be there for your fans, signing autographs, whatever you can do. A little bit probably extra that because you're not worrying about warming up and racing and everything. So you can just go have a good time, be good PR for the team, and see where it comes, see where it falls in 2026. I don't know. I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to any of the races? Are you excited for this? Are you happy that Supercross is back and motocross is done? Whatever it is. Who do you think is going to win titles? 250, 450, Deegan, Jet probably have to be favorites. And if you want to see his original post about him missing time for motocross, that'll be at the end of this, so you can watch all that. But with that, I'm going to leave you guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
Hello guys, what is up? It is your boy AP, and I'm here to update y'all on what the deal is. Unfortunately, I will be missing the last 3 rounds of motocross, but I'll be shooting for Charlotte, so I'm kind of excited about that. I don't know, whatever. But to all the internet experts and health food experts in the comments that know exactly what's going on, the Epstein-Barr test came back negative. And no, I'm not on any, skimpy diet or whatever. I could probably eat more than half of you guys combined and not gain any weight. That's just how I'm built. But either way, yeah, I don't know. It sucks, but it is what it is, and I got to deal with it. I got to pretty much figure it out by myself and go on from there. And it's the first time this whatever it is happens or has happened to me in my career. So yeah. Don't know. Just got to figure it out, move forward. I got a bunch of stuff I'm taking now to try to help it. And yeah, so basically to a lot of you guys out there who didn't overtrain, what had happened was I got a got a pretty bad sinus infection and told myself I was going to push through it because I'm not, I don't quit. I don't try to quit anyways. And unfortunately it caught up to me and knocked a bunch of my levels down. So not Epstein-Barr, didn't overtrain, didn't do what half of you guys said I was doing out there. So little heads up, if you don't know the situation, don't speak on it. kind of made me mad what the comments were saying about my trainer, and yeah, it's not cool to talk about something that you have no idea what's going on. So either way, I'm stoked. We're back on the mend, and yeah, I'm shooting for Charlotte. So we'll see you guys there, and yeah, I don't know. That's kind of an update for you. All right, AP out. Peace.